What is up, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the best launch options / Fortnite settings in game, basically for Fortnite in 2023. So these are the best settings for 2023. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So all you want to do is just open up Epic Games Launcher, and if you already have the games installed, then this also applies. So all you want to do is click Library, click the three dots right next to Fortnite, click Options, and then make sure that high resolution textures is unchecked. Make sure the DirectX 12 shaders is unchecked. However, if you do play DX12 for whatever reason, you can keep this checked. And also make sure to disable cosmetic streaming. Make sure that is checked, just because if you have this checked, it'll introduce a lot of FPS drops, just because it's using your internet to constantly load textures instead of just having constant textures throughout the whole game, and you don't need internet to download it. You just download it one time here. So that's the benefit of this whole thing. Just make sure something looks somewhat like mine. If you use DX12 for whatever reason, just keep DX12 shaders enabled, but press apply and it'll start downloading the 5 gigabytes of textures if you don't have disable cosmetic streaming already checked. But yeah, that's it for the Epic Games Launcher. You just want to go to your profile on the top right, click settings, make sure minimize the tray is unchecked. Same thing with when my computer starts, and just uncheck the desktop notifications, and then uncheck the auto downloads as well. Just keep it somewhat like mine, and then you can pretty much exit out of this, and we could boot into the game of Fortnite and actually configure the video settings in there. So we'll do that real quickly. Alright, so the easiest way to actually apply in-game settings and just have them saved forever is to actually download the custom configuration file in the description of this video, where I have the best settings basically in a notepad, and all you have to do is just put it in a location where the current game settings are located in. So all we're going to do to find this, all we're going to do is press Windows key and R, type local app data %, press OK. Then you want to find Fortnite game, double click on it, go to saved, then go to config, go to Windows client, and basically the file that you download from downloads, just drag it into here, and then just click replace file on this file right here, and it'll replace this file. Then once we've done that, this is, by the way, going to be performance mode. So if you want to change it for whatever reason, go in game and change it, but the one I'm going to send you or have you download is performance mode, and basically all the settings with that. So once you have it downloaded, we're going to right click on it, click edit, and scroll all the way down and find FPS limit. Now we're trying to find FPS limit because we want to set a custom frame limit according to our refresh rate. So for me, that's going to be 144, and then I'm going to press Control S to save the notepad file, and it'll save. So my game's going to be capped at 144 frames. Now if you're on 165, cap 165. If you're on 240, cap 240. If you're on 360, you could cap 360. If you're not getting 360 consistently, just cap 240 or a multiple of 360. So just divide 360 either by 2 or just subtract 60 from it every time. But that's all you need to do for this notepad. If you're doing custom resolution for whatever reason, you can also change it in here. Yeah, if you set a custom resolution through NVIDIA control panel or AMD control panel and you want it to actually work, you got to change it in here as well. Then once you've checked all the settings and it looks pretty good, and you actually load it into the game and everything looks good to your liking, and you're on performance mode or DirectX 11 or DirectX 12, whatever you want to use, it doesn't really matter, but performance mode is obviously the best, but at the end of the day, it's personal preference. But once you've done that, I'm going to right click on this, click properties, click read only, and then press apply. So what this is going to do is just the game is just going to read the file. It's not going to write anything to it, so it's just going to read it. And every time you do a setting change in game, it's not going to work every time you restart the game. It's just going to load up with the settings that you have in here because you have read only checked. So if you want to actually have the settings saved, and if you change it in game, uncheck this and press apply. But if you're just trying to save the settings that we just changed, then keep this on read only, press apply, and then press OK. And that's pretty much it for this step right here. Now we're going to disable full screen optimizations for Fortnite in order to get better FPS and better mouse feel in game. Alright everybody, so you just need to find where you have Fortnite installed. So the easiest way to do this is open up your task manager while the game is opened, find the game, just right click on it and click open file location, and it's going to be the 164 shipping.exe file. And once you found it, you want to right click on it and click properties, and you want to go to compatibility tab and make sure disable full screen optimizations is checked, and then you want to press apply and then OK. And then once you've done that, you want to actually apply the fix in order for this to properly work. So all we're going to do is just type Windows key and R, type reg edit, and then we're going to scroll all the way up, and it's going to look something like this. We're going to expand HKey current user, we're going to expand system, we're going to expand GameConfigStore, and click children. So for you, you're going to have a whole bunch of keys under here, but for me, I don't have that. So just follow what I say right here. So all you want to do is just press, while you have children selected, you want to press Control F on your keyboard, type Fortnite in here, find next, click that, and it'll search the registry. And then once it finds it, there's going to be a whole bunch of keys over here. I'm going to show a clip of what this looks like because I've made a past video on this. All you want to do is just change the flags value to 211 and then press OK. And then that's pretty much it for this fix to actually apply. And then you just restart your PC, and next time you boot up the game, it should feel way better. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the best Fortnite settings for Fortnite. And if you want a full PC optimization service where you get ZillionOS along with a whole bunch of other things that enhance your gameplay, get you better input lag, get you better latency, get you playing like the professional players that you see live streaming or just playing on YouTube, they've gotten the service before, most likely. So all you want to do is just head over the link in the description, book a PC optimization on my website, and I'll do everything for you and advise some upgrades for your PC or anything of that sort. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.